Hi, it's Jimmy with Tom's Mechanical here again with your tip of the month. Have you ever turned on your air conditioner and smelled kind of a funny, maybe stinky smell? We're going to talk about what causes that today. There's actually a term for it in the industry. It's called dirty sock syndrome because it smells like dirty socks. What causes that is bacteria, microorganisms growing on the coil inside here from small pieces of dirt and dust getting through the filter. And it ends up on your coil in here. This coil is wet during air conditioning season, wet and cold, and it just is a perfect breeding area for that kind of thing to happen. And that causes a smell. Typically, you will notice it whenever you switch from cooling to heating. This time of year where you're running your air conditioner during the day and your heater at night, changing the coil temperature, that's when you're typically going to notice that. There's a few things that you can do to get rid of this, to treat it. We typically will clean the coil and deodorize it. There are also other things you can do to help prevent it from ever happening in the first place. You can use a UV light in here on your coil. That will keep anything from growing there, which is what causes the smell. Typically, we can clean these in place so we don't have to remove them to do that. Every now and then there's situations where you have to do that. But sometimes if you just let it get to where you're all heating season at that point, it'll go away on its own, especially if you have gas heat. That's a high enough heat to kind of kill everything that's in there. Heat pumps, typically you're going to have to treat it somehow. And again, we have a treatment for that. We clean it, we deodorize it, and we could put a UV light in there if it's a recurring problem every year that you're having to deal with. So if you'd like us to come out and take a look at it, if you're having any kind of weird smells, or if you just need your inspection done, just give us a call. We'll be glad to do it.